Installing smart film is easy, but testing mistakes can ruin your smart film and waste your time and money. If you could avoid these mistakes, you will have beautiful results. Mistake number 1. Wrong size. Carefully measure the glass area before ordering smart film. We recommend ordering smart film with a 1/16 of inch installation tolerance. This means film will be slightly smaller than glass and easy to apply. If the film is too big or installation area is not perfectly square, smart film can be trimmed using a pair of tailored scissors. Mistake number 2. Installing smart film on dirty glass. 80% of installation mistakes are a result of poor clean glass, which results in a lot of bubbles, and film may not even properly stick to the glass. For best results, clean the glass with alcohol and blade and use gloves while handling smart film to prevent getting oil on the film. If the film becomes contaminated, use a lint roller to remove the contamination. Mistake number 3. Transferring dust from the film to clean glass. This can be prevented by cleaning the sticky side of the film prior to applying it to the glass. Ensure you are in a well-lit environment. Examine film for dust and clean it if necessary. Mistake number 4. Going too fast. Do not apply too much of the film at once to avoid bubbles. Smart film should be applied at a slow pace of about 2-3 inches at a time. If you get bubbles, simply peel the film off and slowly reapply. Mistake number 5. Peeling the film off too many times. If dust gets between the film and glass, it will create bubbles. Fortunately, you can peel the film off, remove dust particles and reapply. However, try to minimize this by ensuring that your working environment is as dust-free as possible. Mistake number 6. Wet installation. Never use any liquids. Smart film is installed as a dry, static installation. No liquids. Mistake number 7. Failing to protect the edges of the film from moisture. Smart film is durable and designed to last up to 10 years. If you do not cover the edges of the film and the bus bar area with a silicone, you will dramatically reduce its lifespan. There is no way to repair water damaged smart film. Mistake number 8. Using an acid-based silicone. Acid-based silicone is aggressive and will damage smart film and even smart glass. This type of damage is irreparable. Mistake number 9. Getting creases while handling the film. This is a very common and serious mistake, and the damage is irreversible. Ideally, 2 people should be handling the film to pull the film by the edges to avoid creases. Mistake number 10. Choosing the wrong smart film supplier. Choosing the wrong smart film supplier can kill your project. Please select carefully. Visit our blog to learn how to select a smart film supplier for your project. Watch our installation instruction in the next video. Today I told you about 10 common mistakes people do while installing smart film. If you can avoid these mistakes, your project would be a success, not a failure. Please contact us if you have any questions or need more information. Stay safe.